Hello, this is Nat from NB Network Lessons. Hope everyone's doing okay. As promised, I'm back with Calculus Lesson 63, and we're going to solve one more problem using integration by parts. And then we will close this section and move on to the next topic, which is going to be partial fractions. So let's go ahead and solve this problem. Question is, find x squared ex dx. Okay, solve this using integration by parts. Well, let's go ahead and do that. So let's say if I say this right here is u and this right here is going to be dv. So then I say u is equal to x squared. So then du with respect to dx is going to be 2x. All right, or I can just say du is equal to 2x dx. All right, now let's go ahead and move on this side of the board. And we say dv is equal to, we said dv is equal to ex dx. All right, so if I wanted to integrate both sides, I will get v is equal to ex. All right, now let's go ahead and plug this into this formula right here. So u times v, what is u? U is x squared, v is ex. So I'm going to say uv is going to be x squared times ex minus, I'm going to say what is v? V is ex. Okay, and then what is du? Du is 2x dx. So times 2x dx. All right, so far so good. Now what we do is that we know this 2 is constant, so we can pull it out. So then I write x squared e to the x minus 2 ex times x dx. So we're not done yet. All right, we're not done yet. We still got to solve the problem. Let me rearrange these two real quick. So I can write this as x times ex. So if you recall from previous lectures, sometimes you have to, in order to find a solution, you have to do integration or derivation multiple times. So that's the scenario in this one, because this is not really an answer yet. So what we do is that we apply integration by parts again on this part right here, just this part right here. So then we say x, let's say u is equal to x. Okay, I'm just taking this right here. Du would be equal to, derivative of u would with respect to dx would be equal to 1. So then we can say du is equal to dx. No rocket science to that. And then we say dv is equal to ex times dx. We've already done that. So v is equal to ex. All right. So now what we do is that we plug this in right here in this formula again. We continue writing this down. We're not doing anything with this part, but we just have to write that down within the answer. Minus 2. I have the big bracket right here. Okay. U times v. U is x. V is ex times ex. All right. Minus integral of v, which is this right here, ex, and then du. Du is dx. Okay, bracket close. So it's gonna make more sense now in just a minute. So x squared e to the x minus 2 x e to the x. Now let's go ahead and apply integration over here. Integral of e to the x is e to the x. So I'm just going to put e to the x, all right, and a constant, the initial value. Now let's just go ahead and simplify it a little bit. So we say x square e to the x minus, multiply this 2 by this, open up the brackets, minus times minus is plus, e to the x plus c, bingo. That is my answer. So how is that, friends? So remember that sometimes you have to go integration by parts twice in order to get the solution, maybe 3 times. So keep that in mind and you will succeed. Thank you so much for watching. I'm closing this section now. I'm going to come back and we're going to do partial fractions. Thank you so much. Have a good day.